Hi everybody, Seth K Bani here. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Ideogram AI. I'm going to show you how to avoid the wait list and then also how to use it as well. So it's going to be quite simple. Let's get straight into the video. So after typing Ideogram AI, just go and look for the website, which is this one. Click on it and then it will take us to the website. Once we get access to the website, we want to check first whether it's going to give us a wait list. So you can see it says join wait list down here, and that means that you'll not be able to use it once you log in or once you sign in. Once you put in your email address, it's going to cause you to wait a little bit. Let's do that. I'm going to copy it as well there. Okay, so let's click on it. Say thank you for joining the wait list. We will email you with an invitation as soon as we are ready. So now what we are waiting for is an invitation. As long as we get an invitation, we'll be able to enter. Now remember, they are saying that they will send us an invitation in our email. Let's see whether we can get around it. If we can get around it, that will be very good. If we can get the invitation, that will be very easy for us. So let's see whether we can get the invitation. Okay, you can see the Discord app over here. You can see on top here we have Discord icon and we have Twitter icon there. Let's click on the Discord icon to take us to the Discord website, and then sometimes they paste the invite link there, and so we can also get access to it. You've been invited to join. Okay, accept invite. Yeah, we are going to accept the invite, and then let's get in there. And wow, it's requesting I download the Discord app. I don't know why they did that. So you know what we are going to do? It sent me to the app because I was using my phone. So go all the way up, go and then go to your settings and then use desktop version. Okay, once you use desktop version, you'll be able to get access to it straight without even downloading the app. So I'm using desktop version right now. I'm going to display over here. Which name do you want people to call you? I want people to call me SKB Bani. SK Bani. Okay, and that is it. I'll click on continue. Alright. Wait, are you human? I am human. Okay. And then please click the largest animal. The largest animal definitely has to be a dog, right? And a dog. Verify. Alright, so I don't want to use the app. Alright, so it's working, it's working, it's working, it's working. And I finished up signing up. Alright, so we are going to put in our email address there. We are going to put in the password there. No, I don't want to get a desktop up. So we are in now, and once we get in, guys, you can see we are in now. Once you get in, I want you to go straight and look for this. You can see general eng over there. Just click on it. Okay, that is what we are looking for. Click on it. Just go and look for it and click on it, and then you will see a lot of comments and stuff over there. Now I want you to just go and look for a comment that has to do with an invite. Let's try this link. I can see it over here. It's a link over here. Let's click on it. Let's see where it sends us to. Okay, so there's a sign up link there. You want to use that link. Okay, so you can see brothers here. Alright, so I'm going to click on the sign up and use the same email address you used for the waitlist. Use that same email address. Automatically it's going to grant you access. So you can see I have read, and then click on it. So you are using two things. Display name, I'm going to use SK Bani. You are using two things. You're going to search for two things. Once you go to the Discord page, you're searching for two things. You're searching for a sign up link, one, or you are also looking for an invite link. Once you find those links, click on it and then follow them, and you will get them. So you can see we have a lot of artworks here. A lot of artworks here. Now you can see I am on trending. You can see I am on trending here, trending. That is what I'm doing right now. So you are going to scroll down until you find the one that you think you can use. So you can see we have one. This is one. Okay, there are a lot, guys. There are a lot. You're a lot. There's another one here. You're a lot. So I'm just gonna be, for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna look through too much. I'm gonna go up to the one I found earlier, and I'm gonna click on it. Okay. Then once you click on it, let me zoom in. Once you click on it, you can see how it looks like, right? You can move it left and right until you find the one that you're looking for. All right. So I'm gonna pick this one. And also, guys, remember you can also choose the format that you want. Do you want it 10 by 16? You want it 1 by 1, or you want it 16 by 10? Okay, I want it 1 by 1, and so that's what I'm going to stick to. Now once you find it, I want you to go and look for remix. You can see remix here. Just click on remix. Once you click on remix, it's going to give you the ability to um, change it, or to use it. Now 3D. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay, you can see candy over here. You want to click on it. You want to click on that candy, and you want to put your name in those inverted commas, or whatever word you want to use. I'm going to use Seth Bani. Okay, now once you click on Seth Bani, you want to just scroll down and click on generate, and then it will start generating for you. Okay, it will start working for you. So right now, all you have to do is just be patient. So you can see wait 9 seconds, stop here. It is waiting. We are waiting to generate. You can see progress 70%, 78%. It's still generating. 78% completed. So now it's done completing. We are done with it. We are done with it. Now it's time to download it. Okay, so let's see. You click on it, and then once you click on it, sometimes it gets the spellings wrong. So once you get the spellings wrong, just don't worry. You can see the download icon there. Click on it, and then it's downloading. Okay, let's go Seth K Bani, another one here. We will click on it again, and then we'll just move it that way, and then download it over there.